Hello, I'm Tanya Multani and I'm from the Department of Psychology of Ahmednagar College, Ahmednagar, and I'm talking about the various arenas of our department. The Department of Psychology was established in the year 1960 and 61 by Dr. B.P. Hewale and Honorable Manorama Barnabas. This department offers high quality of education to not only the students but also the other people around. In this department, the students are offered not only the curricular courses that are within the syllabus but also the co-curricular activities and add-on courses that help students build the research quality and also the quality of analytical abilities. Here, in this department, they also offer the library facility which offers textbooks to the students and other various books that are available for the knowledge of psychology and various subjects that are related to psychology. In these co-curricular activities, the methods and teaching aids which are adopted are discussion. Then the teaching aids which are offered to the students include discussion method, group discussion methods, on-field study, then research, practicals and various other tests which are conducted to add on the list. And then there are various co-curricular activities which are conducted through seminars, workshops, conferences, and various webinars are conducted now online for the students so that they can help develop the research quality within them, and not only that, the analytical abilities are also improved through these courses. The Department of Psychology not only offers the high quality visual aids to the students through movies, through projects and various other hand-on experiences, but also the internship is offered to the MA level students who are practicing on work experiences on the field and as well as doing internship under some various counselors and psychologists. In this department, there is also the facility of library for the students which not only offers them textbooks but also other related subjects of psychology and other books are offered to the students. The co-curricular activities and add-on courses not only help students build on their knowledge of psychology but also on-field work experiences are offered to the students, and these courses help students build their analytical and research abilities, and they can conduct various experiments, tests and practicals and projects through various skills like discussion methods, on-field methods. Then there are various activities conducted. These courses are offered not only by Indian professionals but also by other foreign professionals who are eminent in their field of psychology. This helps students gain more insights and explore various other fields in the field of psychology itself and go beyond the syllabus. Apart from that, the students who have taken extracurricular courses or who are in the master's degrees can go to various seminars, webinars, conferences and various other activities where they get not only on-field experiences but they can join through national and international webinars and connect with other psychologists and other mental health professionals and gain more insights and more knowledge about the field. This helps the students of MA to not only do internship but also gain various other deep knowledge of the subject and on-field experiences. The success rate of TYBA students and MA students of psychology has been 100% since many years.